Aku takut. Assalamualaikum warahmatullahi wabarakatuh.
Waalaikumsalam warahmatullahi wabarakatuh.
I wanna introduce myself. My name's Nur Raihani. I come from Bangsa. Okay, this time I want to explain Kitab Nufai by English language in page 97, composed by Sheikh Ahmad bin Abdul Latif. Last week, we will study about Mujmal and others. Mujmal, as we know, Mujmal was chapter of Susul Fiqh. What is Mujmal? Mujmal, al-Mujmalu ma yaftakiru ilal bayan. That provocation need to explain, sometimes for it or from word, method or argumentation. Example, salah satu qur'an. That's Mujmal provocation, which currently means purify and menstruation. Cause qur'an is musyarak. Musyarak is one provocation meaning of minds between purify and menstruation. What happened in Mujmal? Sure, needed to bayan. How about bayan? Bayan, ikhraju syai'in min hayzi ishkal ila hayzi tajalli. Bayan, that's exposure something for it to clearly. Bayan have mubayan. Bayan different bayan. If bayan exposure accident that mubayan, if bayan exposure accident that mubayan, the two for one side. Mubayan that's nice. What nice? An-nasu ma la yahtamalu ila ma'na wahidan. That's provocation not granted except one means. Example, Zaid in sentence Ra'aitu Zaidan. Say other, not this, provocation become the expression as mentioned. Example, Fasiyamu. Example, Fasiyamu salasati ayamin. That was clearly we understand means. Not comfort of words mansatu urus mean is chair, as like bright chair, so feasible, cause so clearly from that mean. And then dahir. What dahiru malat tahmala amrayni adharu min al-akhari. Ahaduhuma adharu min al-akhari. Dahir is provocation to argument, which one argument more clearly for argument others. Example, as-salah is sentence ra'aitu yawma asada. Indeed dahir from means, indeed dahir meaning is prawns, animal. Might be granted to brave men, but much with argumentation. Cause provocation granted to others. Cause provocation granted to others mean mention is mu'awal, but mu'awal bit dalil. So mu'awal tahil bit dalil, mention it tahil bit dalil. Example, wasama'a bainaha bi aidin. There is aidin, jamak from yadin, and even that's possible for Allah. So granted to mean kudrah Allah with definite argumentation. Okay, finally I say Assalamualaikum warahmatullahi wabarakatuh.